Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. We've had a few beers last night and I'm feeling slightly hungover and need a quick pick-me-up. My ultimate egg and bacon sandwich with mushrooms and basil will fix me right up. This sandwich is epic and simple to prepare, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. Guys, if it's your first time here, please like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my daily videos. Right, let's start by toasting our sourdough bread in a buttered pan. This sourdough is seeded with poppy seeds, which I absolutely adore. Let your bread soak up that butter and get a nice toast going on both sides. While it's toasting, go ahead and crack and whip 2 eggs and leave them to one side for now. I'm also slicing 2 button mushrooms, which I'll need in just a moment. Once your bread is well toasted, remove off the heat and set to one side. Right, go ahead and add your bacon to the pan. I'm going in with 4 rashers of unsmoked back bacon. Turn your bacon every minute or so to ensure the fat gets nice and crispy. Once your bacon is cooked, remove from the pan and set aside for later. Now throw in your sliced mushrooms into the same pan so they soak up all of that bacon fat left in the pan. Right, in with some pepper, and while tilting your pan, add a tiny drizzle of soy sauce directly onto the mushrooms. The mushrooms act like flavour bombs in the sandwich and really take this breakfast to another level. Once your mushrooms are glistening and shiny and have absorbed in all that flavour, go ahead and remove off the heat and set aside till we build our sandwich. Wipe down the pan and coat with oil before pouring in your egg. Your eggs won't take long, so go ahead and start building your sandwich. I'm going in with mayonnaise, ketchup and hot sauce. The hot sauce isn't going to make this spicy, but it will add some background kick and depth. Once your egg is set, season with pepper and start folding so it's the same shape as your bread. We can now start to layer on that beautiful crispy bacon. Each rasher should be slightly overlapping the other. This creates texture and allows those beautiful soy mushrooms to find pockets to rest in. Place in your mushrooms and pour in any leftover mushroom juices. The mushrooms are just as important as the bacon and the egg, so please don't skip this step. Like I said earlier, these are flavour bombs. Every time you bite into one, it'll be like an explosion of flavour in your mouth. Let your eggs get a nice golden char on the outside and place directly onto your bacon and mushrooms. Perfect. Now let's top with some fresh basil leaves and crown this masterpiece. There you have it, my ultimate egg and bacon sandwich, the perfect hangover cure. Right, let's get stuck in. This is outstanding. Salty bacon, meaty mushrooms, silky egg on some quality sourdough toast. Egg and bacon sandwich with mushrooms and basil. Absolutely effing delicious.